BSES Power Distribution Companies, BSES Rajdhani Power Limited, and BSES Yamuna Power Limited supply electricity to 2/3 of the national capital, powering Delhi and empowering over 50 lakh consumers and 2 crore residents in South, West, East and Central Delhi for the last 22 years. Today, BSES has emerged as a modern distribution company with one of the most advanced distribution networks deploying the next generation technologies. In this journey, BSES Discoms have reduced AT&C losses from 56% in 2002 to around 6.6%, a record reduction of nearly 50%, catapulting us to the league of leading discoms globally. BSES has also transformed consumer care and is at the forefront of sustainable growth by championing rooftop solar, EV charging to name a few. In fact, by financial year 2026-27, over 50% of our power portfolio will be green, making BSES one of the greenest discoms in the country. Today, BSES consumers in Delhi can connect and apply for a host of services by using the mobile app, website, chatbot, WhatsApp and social media platforms such as Facebook and Twitter. Appreciating our services and pro-consumer initiatives, REC Limited, a Navratna Central Power Sector undertaking under the Ministry of Power, recently ranked both the BSES Power Distribution Companies as A+, the highest rating for any discom in the country. In fact, over the last 4 years, BRPL and BYPL have consistently emerged at the top, demonstrating our commitment as an inclusive organization that empowers all sections of consumers. BSES, in association with the National Federation of the Blind, launched the electricity bill in Braille for the visually impaired on the occasion of the International Braille Day in 2023. With this, BSES became the first discom in the city, and only among a handful in the country, to launch a bill in Braille. Apart from the bill in Braille, BSES also launched an upgraded and voice-enabled accessible mobile app and doorstep services for the visually impaired. These are catering to the specific needs of the visually impaired and empowering them to better understand the various components of the electricity bill and help avail the full suite of BSES services from the comfort of their home. Constantly working in harmony with the communities in Delhi, we are brightening the lives of Delhi residents. BSES, powering Delhi, empowering consumers.